Hi, my name is Andrey Hubbard. I am from grade 3, Patience, and I'm from Game Christian Academy. The wonder of nature. Nature, so lush and green. The wonder of wonder anyone has seen. So cool and calm and full of life. Makes us forget our life. Think of a forest full of trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. Cut them down and construct towers. Bzzz. Wait for ages to get a shower. The birds that soar high in the sky, can we imitate them? However hard we try. Learn to wonder and gape at things and see the happiness it brings. We got such wonderful things. Do what we can and save a wing, so that our children in the future can see at things we have been doing.